everybody, it's Carol. This is the makeup I'm going to show you right now. I've been searching for a dupe for my absolute favorite holy grail desert island foundation. Everything. It's everything. It's called All Hours and it's number BD35 Warm Caramel. It is the most amazing, but they changed the formula and it doesn't do what this does. If you haven't used ChatGPT, there is a free app. You could pay $20 a month or $200 a month or have it free. Free, I think you only get like 5-6 questions to ask a day. But ChatGPT is my personal assistant now. Absolutely. So I asked ChatGPT for a dupe for the All Hours YSL foundation. And this is what they came up with. I dug deeper on YouTube for this foundation. So I watched all the videos about the L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear Foundation 32 hours. Now I heard that they changed from 24 to 32. This is the golden beige. I think it's too dark. Today I'm wearing 445. So I'm going to show you everything right now. And these are the swatches. First one is Natural Rose. Natural Rose, 440. This one is Vanilla. Okay, this one is Golden Beige. Yeah, you see, I had this on the other day, and somehow it seemed too dark. Oh, this is so hard. Let's see. Oh, which one wins? Well, let me put the foundation that I love is All Hours, YSL All Hours in Warm Caramel BD35. Now look at that. So I'm thinking this middle one, and that is Vanilla. This pump is so fabulous because you could squirt out a tiny, tiny little bit. Try to hide those smile lines. I think this might be okay. Let's try this. ALMAY Smart Shade. I've been using it for a long time. ALMAY Smart Shade is an amazing product. It gives you a blurring, smooth effect on your skin. The blush and the bronzer, both of them are great. Now I'm applying the e.l.f. HD powder on my brows. Okay, this is e.l.f.'s newest pencil. It is a fan favorite of mine. It is waterproof and it's waxy enough to hold down your hairs, your gray hairs that is sticking up, or just wiry blonde hairs. Now for the lips. Stripped, Mocha, and Be My Baby. Stripped, Mocha, and Be My Baby, and Clear. And they're all Rimmel. Rimmel has a little crown on the top of all their glosses and their long-lasting ones. And these are long-lasting. Okay, so my favorite is Mocha. It's not going to budge. And I put it over the eyebrow pencil. That's not going to budge. I don't work in an office anymore, and I don't have to keep checking my makeup during the day. I don't check my makeup all day. I just want it to stay there, you know? I want it to last. Oh, Stripped is a little popper. Okay. Stripped is a popper. This is Be My Baby. Now this is a kind of nude that you won't look too washed out because you can put a little liner around it. So this is Be My Baby and Mocha. You see, Be My Baby has a little pink tone, and Mocha is more of a tan. And look at this one. Look at, this is a dupe for one of the nude mattes also. Look at that. It's very peachy and very bright. I like the long-lasting lips with gloss. So I know that my lips are gonna stay covered and the gloss is just gonna make it shiny. Now, I didn't put any powder anywhere. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. Actually, it stays like this all day. And tonight when I go to remove it, so it's going to still be the same. I think this is my color. Oh, I'm going to take this off. I'm going to put on this hottie. So pretty. Oh, look at that. Wow. Let's try this next to it. Okay. So Hottie and then Pink Lotus by Sigma. This is a wild one. See, I usually just put it on the bottom. You know, eventually it goes all over. Ooh. That is pretty. Sigma has a few of these crazy glosses. They're called P-Switch. Oh, Lip Switch. That must have rubbed off. I think it's called Lip Switch. Wow. Under eye stuff. When I have a bright lip, I don't want too much makeup underneath my eyes. I want the focus to be the lips. Okay. You see, it goes all over. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day, a great week. And I appreciate you all so much. So if you think people aren't appreciating you, come here and you will know that you are appreciated. Mwah.